we're in the rainy season. There'll be some new weather happening from now on. There's a new queue available. If anyone wants to play mini games, now you can join the queue just for those. Wait. Queue. Mini games. Default mini competitive mini games. That's really cool. And there are a few new cosmetics available in the store as well. They should help keep the rain off. So, where is it? There they are. Free. I've already added some of these. So, I did start off with 5,400. And I was checking them all out. You can do wheel the umbrellas, and they open and close. How cool is that? Literally, there's a little button there, and you click on it, and it opens. How cool is that? I'm singing in the rain. I'm in the rain. And yeah, there's also a gold one, which is quite cool. But he even made sound effects. Listen. Here. Black. Quite cool. Rainbow. So, the one I got was the rainbow one. So, let me put it on. And yeah. So I bought it. But I actually was thinking it would be so cool if Lemming added it's so when you go from a high place and then open it, you slowly go down. Wait. Yeah, it would be so cool if you could slowly go down. Like, whee! Like, you'd climb up, and then slowly go down. Like, you know when you do helicopter, and that slows you down, kind of. Yeah. Boop. And then he was saying that I only went to City to look at the cosmetics. Oh my, there's a lamppost. Why is there a lamppost? Is it for like singing in the rain? Imagine how many jukes you could do with this. Could jump, then it is a bit hard. Yeah, so you can't do that. But look at this. That's cool. Just the glass of sound effect. It does. I'm really amazed that Lemming just like makes this game so cool with all the updates. Like, I actually would have never thought to put umbrella in and light post and also even rain. But it isn't raining at this moment. So I'll have to catch up with you to see if it rains. I'll do another video on that. But look at that. And also it's so detailed. Well, I actually think it's quite detailed. Look at that. And obviously there's the right sound effects for each place. So you have one there, one at the top there, even on the treehouse. Oops. How cool is that? That's really cool. There's even one up there. Look at that. That's really cool. But this is probably one of my favourite updates so far. Goodbye. Hello. Does it affect wall running? It's a bit hard to see, but it's okay. What happens if it's closed? That's better. It doesn't affect anything. Blup, blup, blup. But it'll be so cool to make it so when you jump down, you slowly glide down. Kind of like Mary Poppins. So, well, this has been a absolute blast to check out. And this is Thunder VR, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of The Rain. Please like and subscribe for new content and more fun Gorilla Tag videos. So bye!